How does credit impact you in real life? There's some people who have kind of thrown their credit score out the window and said, I don't care, I have bad credit. Like it is what it is. I'm gonna die of bad credit. And I have to say that's a horrible way to look at it. Some people think credit scams are a scam. Credit United States sucks. It's a horrible system. And yes, there's lots of things that are not good. But at the end of the day, if you live in America, like you're stuck in this system and you have to play the game. So if you want to buy a home, if you need to buy a car and you cannot afford to pay cash and you have to take out a loan, many times your insurance companies are looking at your credit score. If you're going to rent an apartment, they're looking at your credit score. If you need to start a water or an electric account, 9 times out of 10, you have to pay a utility deposit if your credit is bad. And if you've got good credit, they don't require any deposit, right? Because they are confident you're going to pay your water or electric bill. If you are at the point where you have to finance a cell phone, even though I would not recommend it, they're going to look at your credit score. And a lot of jobs now, especially if you have access to money, they're looking at your credit score. Like that tells them whether or not you're a responsible person, and you may not get the job because your credit is bad. So as much as you may want to, throw caution to the wind and say, I really don't care, my credit's screwed and that's just the way it's going to be. Yeah, you can do that, but it's going to hurt you. So you may want to put some time and effort into working on it.